Yeah, so finally got my winner. Freaking excited. Like a fat kid in a candy store. Yeah, look at the snow. Yeah, look at my pants. SpongeBob. Oh, strap.
Blizzard.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because I was here for 7-day blizzard.
How was that one? Not like
worse.
this?
It's definitely worse. It's beautiful.
It is. It's like gorgeous. It just feels so peaceful too. I love it.
Did you hear a big crack in the middle of the night across? It had to have been across the street in the woods.
I did.
Did you hear it?
I did.
It had to have been a tree going down.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Did you get to work today?
I don't know.